Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So today's video is going to be a nail video, and I like to try to get inspired sometimes. I mean, things get to be kind of routine after a while. You basically do the same thing over and over again, whether it's different color or a different style nail or whatever. So I like to get inspired on Pinterest. I think I've showed you these things before on my Pinterest page, but I like to save ideas on my Pinterest page so that I can be inspired. Things don't always end up being exactly like what I saw and what I chose to try to duplicate. And in this case, I was in the mood for some spring nails, and I saw someone in a recent video, she had green nails on for St. Patty's Day, and she had some different color greens and some beige. And I'm gonna give her a shout out. The YouTube channel is called Live the Life You Love, and she commented on one of my videos recently, and I went over and checked out her page. She's a fellow New Englander, so I don't know what her first name is, so tell me your first name. But anyway, thanks for commenting on one of my videos, and I did go out and check out yours. But to get back to the point, she had nails that inspired me to do something for spring. And so I went on my Pinterest page and I looked and just started to see things with like green nails and different colors. And I thought, okay, this looks pretty cool, and I chose one. The one that I chose, and you're not going to be able to really tell in this picture, but it's like a dark green, then like a burgundy color and a white color. I don't know if the nail, you don't see the thumb, but I'm going to assume that the thumb is the dark green. Well, of all the nails that I have, you know, accumulated from hauls and gift hauls and everything else, I did not have one pair of dark green or green of any color, except I have some like, you know, shiny green, which wasn't gonna go with this. So what I did was I said, okay, I'm not going out and buying green nails, but I was inspired by this look. So I am going to do today's manicure. I am going to use some of the Nail Bliss nails that I got from Tiffany, and I'm gonna use a beige color. I'm going to use a dark blue color, and the colors are basically, the light color is called Silk Cream, and the dark blue is called Deep Blue. And then to coordinate with these, to kind of give it this kind of a look, I'm going to use these pretty Kiss Gel, and this is a package that I had opened and done a set with. So I'm only going to use one. I'm going to use it for the middle nail. And these are called, no, they don't have a name on them. Kiss tends to do that sometimes, where they don't actually like name the nail on the box. Just has like. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video, is I'm going to do a manicure that is inspired by this Pinterest picture that I had. So yeah, I'm going to do. Actually, this is the ring finger. This color is the ring finger. The pinky and the index and the thumb will be blue. And the middle finger is actually going to be the beige. I'm going to do this just like this picture. So let's get the nails picked out. I don't have any nails on at all right now. I was just giving them a break for a couple of days, letting them breathe. So yeah, I'm just going to maybe give them just a little bit of a file just to rough them up a little bit so they'll have more sticking power. I'm going to be using my trusty super glue, the original super glue that I get from Dollar Tree or from Amazon. I always link the glue and my nail trimmers, which are from Amazon. I always link these below. So if you are looking for a nail trimmer or you want to try this super glue and you don't have a Dollar Tree near you, to go check it out. Yeah, they'll be linked below. So, all right, let's get these nails on. I am going to trim them down. I want them shorter, and we will see how they come out. All right, guys, well, I think these came out so cool. They're not the green that I was thinking about doing, but I do like this blue, and I like the burgundy, which kind of matches what I'm wearing today. And yeah, with the little accent nails, this blue, I love this blue color. This is really nice. So, you know, it's just, I kind of took an inspiration and made it out of something I had here. I didn't go out and buy anything new. And I really, really think that this looks stylish. It looks, you know, classy. I really do. I like it a lot. So I hope that you like how it came out. And if you do your own manicures with these glue-on nails, I would love to see pictures of your manicures. But my biggest inspiration is just you know, seeing something and then trying to recreate it myself. So let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you like this different kind of a manicure with some different colored nails. And let me know if you use Pinterest. If so, I hope that you will go over and follow my Pinterest page. I love to just save all kinds of beautiful images and inspirational images as well. I am going to be putting together a video for you guys soon of some outfits with the new jeans and the new dress pants I bought last week in last week's vlog. So I hope that you will check back for that soon. So thanks again for watching, guys. Take care. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.